To get a QR code for a Google form, start by creating a Google form if you haven't already. Go to the Google Forms website and sign in with your Google account. Click on the plus sign to create a new form and add your questions and fields as needed. Once your form is complete, click on the Send button at the top right corner of the page. This will open a new window with several sharing options. Click on the link icon to get the URL of your Google form. Copy the URL by clicking on the Copy Link button. Now you need to generate a QR code for this URL. You can use a QR code generator website such as QR Code Monkey or GeoQR.me. Open the QR code generator website and paste the Google form URL into the input field. Choose the size and style of your QR code as needed and click on the Generate QR Code button. The website will generate a QR code for your Google form. You can now download the QR code as an image file and use it on your website, social media, or print materials. When someone scans the QR code, it will open the Google form on their device, allowing them to fill it out easily. This is a convenient way to share your Google form with others, especially in situations where typing a URL is not practical. Best practices include making sure your Google form is set to allow anyone to edit, and testing the QR code to ensure it works correctly. You can also customize the appearance of your QR code to match your brand or style. By following these steps, you can easily get a QR code for your Google form and share it with others. This can be a powerful tool for collecting data, conducting surveys, or gathering feedback, and can be used in a variety of situations, from business to education.